Hello everyone. In this session, we have to learn how to solve crypt arithmetic problem. Before starting this session, I tell you friends, if you are not watching my last session on crypt arithmetic problem, so first you can watch that session. In last session, we have solved base plus ball is equal to games crypt arithmetic problem. In this lecture, we have solved again crypt arithmetic problem. So, in this problem, we have two text like text 1 is cross CROSS and text 2 is roads ROADS, and with the help of addition, we have generated crypt arithmetic text danger DANGER. Before starting the lecture, I have introduced some basic rules for crypt arithmetic problems. Rule 1. We have to select digit in between 0 to 9 range. Means we have to predict digit range from 0 to 9. Rule 2. We have apply unique and distinct value to every alphabets. Means if we have select alphabets as value is 7. So we have not select 7 to any other alphabets. Rule 3. Throughout the problem, each alphabet represents only one unique digit that I already explained in Rule 2. Rule 4. Compulsory to find each alphabet's value in this problem means we cannot apply directly any value to alphabets. Rule 5. Answer should not start with 0 means it start with 1, 2 or any value between 1 to 9. Rule 6. After assigning the value to alphabets, it follow the basic arithmetic operation means addition is perfect. Okay. Now we have start the problem. Here you can see the crypt arithmetic problem. I divide this problem in 6 columns. Like column 1 say S plus S is equal to R. Column 2 say S plus D is equal to E. Column 3 say O plus A is equal to G. Column 4 say R plus O is equal to N. Column 5 say C plus R is equal to A. Column 6 say only one alphabets D. Now we can say the carry. If addition of this individual column is greater than or equal to 10, so it generates carry to next column. So here we can see how to predict carry in these problems. First, we have considered column number 1. S plus S is equal to R. It not generate carry on column 2. Next, we have C. S plus S is equal to 10 plus R. Means it generates carry on column 2. Now, we start the problem. Can we assign or predict the column 6 which represent the D value? We can see here we have 5 alphabets for text 1 and 5 alphabets for text 2, and it generates 6 alphabets with the help of addition. So we can predict these 5 alphabets can be 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and addition of this number is less than 2 lakhs. So we can easily predict or consider D is equal to 1 because it generates carry 1. So this way we can find our first alphabet's value D is equal to 1 and put that value in problem. It's look like. Now we have predict our first column 1. So there is two possibilities for this column. First is there is no carry on column 2. So we can write like S plus S is equal to R. Now, if we have select any two number which is same, so it generates even number. So R is even. So S plus S is equal to R. Here R is even number. So we can predict R is 2, 4, 6, 8. Now R is 2 is not possible because if R is equal to 2, so S is equal to 1 and that value is complete with D because D is 1. So we can predict R is equal to 4, 6, 8 value. Now first we can predict R is equal to 4. So S is equal to 2 and put this value in problem and it's look like this. Now put R is equal to 4 in column 5. So it can write like C4 plus C plus 4 is equal to 10 plus A. If we consider that column can generate carry. So C4 plus C greater than 5 because D is equal to 1 means column 5 can generate carry to column 6. So if C is greater than 5, so value of C is 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we have predict S is equal to 2 and D is equal to 1 and put that value in column 2. So it can look like C1 plus D, C1 plus S plus D is equal to A. Here we have put the value of S and D. And also consider column 1 is not generate any carry to column 2. So 0 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to E. So E is equal to 3. We have to find. Now we have to predict C is equal to 9 and R is equal to 4 and put that value in column 5. So it can look like C4 plus C plus R is equal to A plus 10 because column 5 generate carry on column 6. So we can write A plus 10. Now we can consider column 4 cannot generate carry on column 5. So we can write like 0 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to A plus 10. So A is equal to 3. So it is conflict the value of E. So A is equal to 3 is not possible. So our prediction R is equal to 4 and S is equal to 2 is not possible. But C is equal to 9 value is possible. Its value not conflict to others alphabets. Okay. Now we have to predict R is equal to 6, S is equal to 3, C is equal to 9 and put that value on column 5. So C4 plus C plus R is equal to A plus 10 can be write like 0 plus 9 plus 6 is equal to A plus 10. Consider column 4 cannot generate carry. So we can find A is equal to 5. Now we can check column 2 and put the value of S and D. So it can be C1 plus S plus D is equal to E. So 0 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to E. Here column 1 cannot generate carry to column 2. So E is equal to 4. Now we can check column 4. So it can C3 plus R plus O is equal to and put the value of R. So it can be 0 plus 6 plus O less than or equal to 9 because we have considered C4 is equal to 0. So value of n is less than or equal to 9. So value of O is less than or equal to 3. Now we have to predict the value of O. Now O is equal to 0 and 1 is not possible because if we select O is equal to 0 and put that value in column 4, so R plus 0 is equal to and put the value of R and O. So we can find 6 plus 0 is equal to n. So n is equal to 6 is not possible. And d is equal to 1 we have already predict, so it is not possible. Now we have checked O is equal to 2 and 3. If we have select O is equal to 2, then C3 plus R plus O is equal to n. Consider column 4 and put the value of R and O. So it can 0 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to n. So n is equal to 8. Then we consider column 3 like C2 plus O plus A is equal to Z. Put the value of O and A. So it can 0 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to Z. So Z is equal to 7. Now, this way we have find every alphabet's value and that value is unique. So value of alphabet is G is equal to 1, C is equal to 9, R is equal to 6, A is equal to 5, O is equal to 2, N is equal to 8, Z is equal to 7, S is equal to 3, E is equal to 4 and put that value in problem. It's look like this way. So thank you friends. Watch this video. In our next video, we have solved water jug problem. Thank you.